Hello everybody, welcome to this special video here, as we have a brand new Windows. Time to look at what's new. Bye bye Windows 10, hello Windows 11. I know I'm a day late because the beta came out yesterday, but I'm still here. So, I got it yesterday, I was lazy, my bad. So, today I'm going to go over what's new in Windows 11. But first we're going to talk about what's new in this beta, because right now we're in a beta with not all the features out yet, and eventually they'll roll out, and then, you'll know. But right now, as you can see here when you're just looking at it, taskbar is now centered, W. If you don't like center taskbar, you're weird, but if you want to, you can always switch to left using taskbar settings. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. So, you can see here the font's a little bit different. If you want to click on the power button volumes, see you've got entirely menu. I like to say it looks like they're trying to not copy, but they're trying to copy Mac and making it more like a phone experience compared to OS, like Android and iOS. I think that's truly what they're trying to do here, and it's not a bad thing. So one of the new features that they like to promote, which I think is going to be the most useless feature here, is widgets. This little tab here can open up a half screen where you can go here and you got news. It's not fully on you. Like, this isn't my news because I haven't used it that much. The more I use it, the more it gets advanced to know what I am interested in. So, as of right now, it's just mainly tabloids and stuff. So, that's a new feature. Another new feature is the start menu, which if we click here, this is what we're interacted with, and you have some pinned apps, so you can quick, easy open that. And as we can see here, we got a new file explorer. A lot of people like to. Oh wait, yeah. Well, but a lot of people like to judge file explorers because it's a really useful app, and a lot of people use it. But one of the main things that they've done is on almost every single app, when you're in not maximize tab, you can see here the corners are rounded. That, to me, is saying Mac OS, we want to, we're coming for you. We're going to copy you. It's not a bad thing. I like it. It looks newer. So, as you can see here, it's the same thing. If I can be completely honest with you, Windows 11 is Windows 10 with a reskin. Simple as that. And, it's dark mode. You can switch to light mode if you want. Ew, though. Another new feature is this. As you can see here, we've got a monitor. OBS is open, as you can see here. Here's my Chrome, my other Chrome, and you can create a new desktop. I don't know if I paused it. It did not pause it. So, as you can see here, I want to close this desktop. It's not new, but it's more organized now, and it's much easier through the taskbar. The search button, this is the new one. Somewhat new, not that bad. What do I want to show you this? Okay. Settings. This is the new settings. I think, as you can see here, the taskbar kind of protrudes here. You can turn that off. Right now, we're not going to. So this is the new settings. And, okay, let's not show you my Wi-Fi. Yikes. It's interesting because this is the new one, the gaming. They're trying to focus on gaming. I've never used this in my entire life. Ever. But something I want to show you guys is this little new feature here. HDR. My monitor, unfortunately, does not have HDR. Sad. Boo-hoo. But this is amazing for gaming because for some of these older games, when you play them on an Xbox, per se, since they're older, the graphics aren't great. But with an Xbox, it can bump up the graphics using HDR. It makes it look more sharp. Yeah, that's not on PC. And there's so many games you can play that are so old and the graphics aren't great on PC. Now that changed with HDR, and you can use that on gaming. I don't know if that... Don't worry about that. I don't know if it's fully implemented yet, because I don't have an HDR monitor. But, if I can just... There we go. What was I saying? Okay, yeah. I don't think it's implemented yet, and I think as this beta goes on, it's going to be added in. Like another feature, which is Android apps. Here's a new Microsoft Store. It's not new, and I don't think it's fully there yet, because one thing they advertised a lot was their Amazon App Store, and that's not here. Sucks. Boo-hoo. What is that? What is Amazon App Store? Simply stated, it's not simply stated. It's very idiotic. So they wanted to bring in Android apps so they can compete with Apple and their Mac apps. So what they did was they said, okay, we're going to have another in Microsoft Store, in our own App Store. We're going to have Amazon App Store, which in that store you can get Android apps from, and then use it on your PC. They could have done a lot better on that, but that is what it is. Very disappointed in that fact. And besides that, I don't think this beta has a lot of new stuff. I'm gonna quickly go over that. Don't worry about that. I'm trying to get a new monitor. My birthday is coming up in approximately 3 days on Thursday, so happy birthday me. I'll make a video. I'm just gonna go on this website so I can make sure I got everything that's new in it. So definitely new fresh experience. I don't know if Word's that different, but you can do multitasking. I've never done that in my entire life. I'm not going to do that. Oh, I did not check this out. Let's check out Teams. Did I spell that wrong? Teams. Yo, Teams. I don't know if that's fully out yet. Is it? Because now they're trying to promote it into... No, it's not. There goes this. Yeah, no. They're trying to promote it into a FaceTime competitor. I don't know if that's the move, but I don't think I'm going to hate it. If they advertise it like this, and it's seamless, and it's through all devices, it could be a good feature. But that's not out right now. So as you can see here, the beta is very limited on what the new features are. So, your content created, that is definitely here. I did not add widgets. You can do that? I'm sorry, I'm learning too, guys. So you can add widgets. Interesting, that's awesome. I think that'd be cool to see. Implementation. Let me just chill here though, okay. Next up, Game Pass. They are pushing towards gaming. Which is weird, because I thought, you know, with the new Xbox, you would want people to get that. But it doesn't seem like they want that. Fully. PC for each of us, blah blah blah. I think that's not it. Come on, that's not it. Yeah, okay, here we go. So what's new? Okay, so Teams. This is the new Xbox app. I have it. I don't know if that's what it looks like. Yikes. I do think that's actually, yeah, this is what it looks like. Very good. Let's not look at that picture. I don't have Game Pass, so yikes. Game Pass is just, if you're a gamer and you don't have Game Pass, like you're a full-time gamer who plays a lot of games, you need it. It's the best thing out right now. This is the new Xbox app. Nothing crazy. As you can see here, look, auto HDR for a wider, more vivid range of colors and captivating visual experience. It's not fully out yet. I don't think. And if it is, I can't get it. I need to get a monitor, guys. Hit me up, please. So here's your new widget tab. Microsoft Store. That's not updated yet. Upset. Very upset. Again, this is, again, more friendly, more looking like a Mac. You can see here. And more ecosystem. It's more secure. That's a good thing. And that's all they're... I don't know why they aren't... Oh, this is a leak. I don't know why they're doing it. They're not... I'm sorry, I'm stupid. They're not advertising the Android apps. I think that'd be a big deal. Okay, so simply stated, this is everything new with Windows 11, and I've shown you a bit of this. Here you go. A new Mac-like interface. This is a new Mac face. This is definitely Mac-like interface. And integrated Android apps, like I said, you would have to install the Amazon App Store and the Microsoft Store to access the Android apps. Sounds ridiculous. I know. Widgets. Yay. That's not widgets. Yay, widgets. I definitely will mess with this because I don't see myself using it too much, but you never know. Teams. Xbox text for better gaming. So Windows 11 will get certain features found in Xbox consoles like Auto HDR and Direct Storage. Direct Storage is going to be amazing. That's going to be amazing. Just trust me. It's going to be amazing. It's just going to be where you can open up games quicker, like an Xbox. Even if an SSD, obviously you're going to need a good SSD. So virtual desktop support. I do know about this. I did see... We good? We good settings? There you go. I did see this somewhere. What the heck? Projecting this PC in remote desktop. I don't know what that is fully. Easier transition from monitor to laptop, better multitasking. I'm a PC guy. Not gonna affect me. And that's really it. I'm telling you, Windows 11 is a W because it's not that much of a change, and that's a good thing. I would like to see more of these like Xbox-like features, like features that can improve certain aspects of PC users. But yeah, that's really it. It's not that complicated. That's a good thing. You look at Windows 7 compared to Windows 8, it looked completely different. It was a completely new OS, and it flopped hard. Windows 10 came out. It's good. I think Windows 10 in its lifetime will go down as one of the best OSs we've seen. Windows 11, on the other hand, it's not revolutionary, and some people will criticize it for that. But it's truly just a update for Windows 10. It's like Windows 10.5. So it's sad to see that innovation slowing down. There could have been a lot of more things added. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. And I did this completely off script, so if I mumbled, I don't know, man. Don't bully me, please. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Maybe this made you say, I want Windows 11. Maybe you said, nah, not for me. Not getting that. I would recommend it, though. I'm on the beta channel of it, and I haven't noticed anything crazy. Like you saw there, the settings. I think that's the first time that happened to me, where I opened an app and it just did not open. But I really haven't experienced any, like, major bugs that are making my entire life miserable. If you want a tutorial on how to do it from Windows 10, I will try. If you do. It's not hard. But if you want to comment below, say, yo, can you make a video on it? I'll be like, bet. I'm down. So thanks for watching. Windows 11, W or L? Your opinions in the comments. See you guys later.